Welcome to Stinky's art class. Today's lesson is how to draw a bird. Okay, now birds, there's a lot of types of birds, but the first kind of bird we want to do is a bird that's real good at tweeting. Okay, first thing we start is with the beak. Okay, it's got a nice beak, then they got the head, and then they got their necks, and then I like to do a big wing body, and then a big wing, and then a body, and then the tail feathers, and then I'm doing pretty good on this one. And then they got some eyes, and then birds have two wings, okay, and the feathers are in the wings, and the feathers are in the tails, and they also have legs. Those kind of look like chicken legs, but they're still a bird. And then you have, let's see, they have wings, check, tail, check, legs, check. And then they also have, they sing or tweet. We want to put some little notes. That way people know it's singing. And then they like to be on the ground. And then this will be another lesson, but a tree. You know, and their little nesties. They're in the branch. And so that's how you draw a bird. Thanks for coming to Stinky's art class today. I hope you enjoyed the lesson, and stay tuned for more lessons on how to draw.